Hello friends, welcome back again to the channel. In the last tutorial I showed you how you can append elements to other elements or moving elements on your web page to other positions, and I showed you also how to clone them, making duplicates of those same elements in other sections. Like we cloned this button 1 to go to the right well or second well, and we cloned it like this, and this was the code. So you select the ID, the content by its ID, you set its clone function and append it to the destination where you want to put it. So we cloned it to this side. Now let me comment out this and we go back to their real mode. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can use the parent function and children function. Now everything on a website or web page has its parent and also the children. Now I'll start by demonstrating to you some technique here. As you can see, when you're having a box like this, so assume this old box, it is the parent. Now anything that will be inside it, there will be the children. So these are the children of this big container you're seeing. So everything that is inside it, it's a child. If at all also these ones have, then this one will become the child and this one becomes the parent. And let's say this one will become the grandpa or grandma. So just know everything on a web page has a parent or a child. And if also this one had, oh, this is not the right, if also this one had another box around it, then this one will become the parent, this one the child. Also these ones are children to this container, and also this small one is a child to this another shape. Now I guess you have got the concept, everything. Now let me take you to the live example here. Now this div with the class of container is a child of the body. As you can see, the body is the parent of everything that will be displayed on a web page. Now also this container is a parent to the div with the class row. Also the row is a parent to the second div with this class of column. So that's how it rotates. This one will be the parent, this one the child. Now how can we target them using jQuery? That's what we are going to be achieving today. Now let's say we want this well with the ID of left well to get a background of blue. What we are going to do to get the parent, we first have to target the child, and here we shall say target, and here we want to target we use the child to target the parent. We say target 1 dot parent, and you set some styling condition for it or the function or method, and we want it to be having a background. So I'm going to explain to you guys if you are lost. And we say background color, you say comma, and you set the color you want it to be having. And as you can see now, we first target the child. You get the child. So for you to access the mother, you first get the child and access the mother and give it the styling you want. So you say target 1, this was the button, this was the ID we gave to button 1. So we got the child. Remember, this left well is the mother and everything inside it, they are the children. So we targeted one of the children and we gave the styling to the mother. So that's how you can target the parent element of a certain for a certain element also on a web page. Now we target the child, which was target 1, then we accessed the mother and gave it that styling. How cool it is to do such stuff. Now this was for the how to use the parent function or method. So that's how you can use it. You can use it to do different types of things. Just I'm showing you the front end side. Now let's say if I want to target the children, what will I do? How to use the children function or method. So I'm using this single line comment, so don't get used if you're a beginner. Don't get confused if you're a beginner. Now remember, when we are targeting the parent, we use the child or the children. Now to target the children, you have to pass through the mother or the parent, and let's say we want target this right well, and we want to give its children colors of red. Now we first have to target the mother or the parent which is having right well. So remember, this one is the parent to all these stuffs or other elements inside it. So we target the mother, we say right well, it has to be having some dash, we say dot children, and we set the styling for them, and we want them to be having color of red. How simple it is. So to target the parent, you pass through the children, and to target the children, you pass through the parent. As you can see, the parent for this div, so we are targeting, you can use this class or the ID. So I'm going to be I use the ID to target all my children inside it. So everything that is inside this div, the opening and closing div, will be the child, or children will be the children. If you had to save this, are you seeing every child was given color red? So that's how you can target different types of elements on your web page using jQuery functions, the parent and children. I'll show you in the next tutorials. Please stick around. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add classes to your elements on your web page. Thanks for watching. As always, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next tutorials once again.